Simplified Loader Excel templates upload and download data from the datasheet to Oracle Fusion. The user may wish to upload all records entered in the datasheet or upload certain transactions. In the demo, I will show how to upload and download data using Simplified Loader. Uploading selected transactions in datasheet. To perform an operation on certain records, the user must first select the Excel rows containing data that need processing. Selecting rows in the datasheet indicates that Simplified Loader only needs to operate on the selected rows. After selecting the rows, click on an operation from the Simplified Loader toolbar. In this example, I will select rows 7 to 10 to upload invoice demo space SL102 and demo space SL103 to Oracle Fusion. Now click Operation Create Invoices. This will upload data for rows 7 to 10. You can see that I have the load status column populated, indicating that the operation was successful. After successfully completing the operation, the template populates header details like header supplier number, header legal entity, header invoice ID, etc. Uploading all records entered in datasheet. To upload all records entered in the datasheet to Oracle Fusion, click the operation Create Invoices in the Simplified Loader toolbar without selecting rows. When an operation is performed without selecting Excel rows, the user receives a warning message to confirm if they wish to process all records entered in the datasheet. In this demo, I have a few records entered in the datasheet. I will click on the Create Invoices operation. As I did not select any specific rows in Excel, Simplified Loader displayed a warning message asking if I wanted to process all rows entered in the datasheet. Click Yes to send all rows entered in the datasheet to Oracle Fusion. After successfully creating the invoices, Simplified Loader populated invoice header fields like header supplier number, header legal entity, header invoice ID, etc. Download transaction details. Simplified Loader Excel templates support operation to download details from Oracle Fusion to the datasheet. The steps to download details from Oracle Fusion are the same as uploading records. In this demo, I will download invoice details from Oracle Fusion. To do so, I entered a few invoice numbers that I wish to download in column E. Next, click on the Get Invoice Details operation. The Simplified Loader template will now send download criteria from each row, one at a time, and download details from Oracle Fusion. If no records are found using the filter criteria, a message, "No data found," gets displayed to the user.